Hi YouTube friends, this is Brad. So today in this video we're going to show you how to install a light fixture. I should say how to replace a light fixture. So this is dated, there's lots of bugs getting in there. So let's get right into this. Be sure to cut the power at the breaker. You never know what you're going to run into when you start to work on an older light fixture. Looks like this one is actually nailed up. 4 nails holding this up. On some frame. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see how nasty that is. Normally you would test these with a tester, even though the power is off, but can't find my tester. In fact, I'm missing half the stuff I need for my projects. Yep, it's good. Just using a scrubby to try to get some of these stains off. Oh, by the way, when we were decluttering our garage, we agreed to have this returned to the Home Depot store if we didn't have it installed by January of 2020. I'm just going to pull this metal back. Looks like there's only one of the 2 screws holding this even in. I don't know if you can see it up there. Alright, so now it's a matter of attaching the ground wire to the ground, the black to black and the white to white on the new fixture. And typically what I think is best is to attach your ground wire first, and typically that'll actually hold often your fixture up. But because this ground wire isn't as attached as great as I'd like it to be, I think we're not going to be able to do that, and I'll have Michelle hold this up. Alright, we'll bend these back, and it says to put the nipple down 1/4 of an inch from the top here. Oh, it's all bending and stuff, so maybe that's 1/4 of an inch. Alright, the nipple's not long enough. I'm going to have to get some sort of an extension. I went down to the Home Depot for $3.29, I think it was. I got a 2-pack of 3-inch nipples. So we have an extended nipple here. Alright, that's supposed to be 1/4 of an inch. I think we're down just a little bit, so I'll raise that nipple up just a slight bit. I think we're good there. Tighten that nut up. So actually, Oma, I think it's good, but let's actually get the wing nut on there. The more I think about it.
I'm so happy. Hey babe, there's wires sticking out.
Yeah, I'm just making sure that it's that it's long enough.
Yep.
The nipple's got to go up a little bit yet.
Okay.
I know it's hard to keep a straight face.
It is.
You want to hold that? All right, I think we're probably good there, but we'll try. We'll check it out one more time. Thanks, Oma. Where did it go? Let's see here if I'm doing any better. I think we're okay. White on whites. There's the manette, the wire nut, whatever it's called, whatever you want to call it. Screw that on. Then I'll take some black tape starting on the manette. And I'll work my way down. Because when you go to stuff all these wires in there, things can kind of move around on you. So hopefully that will keep that together. Now we'll take black on black. Whoop. All right, there we go. We'll screw that on. All right, so now we're gonna do the grounds. Oh, let's see, let's go around here a little bit. All right, let's try it again. I don't think I have enough room to work with. My ground wire is not long enough. There we go. Okay, give yourself a rest, Oma. So I just need to stuff the wires back up there, out of the way. There we go. Oh, sweet, so the wing nut's down there. Mm-hmm. All right. You see any wires hanging out?
Nope.
Okay. So we'll get the nut on there. Can you believe it? They got the lights going right into each other. Oh, evidently these just turn a little bit. All right, here we go. Try it again. We're gonna just fidget with it. We should be able to, we're real close.
Yeah, it looks like it's right there on my end. There.
Okay.
There.
Okay,
Don't do anything.
give me a thing. Now push up on here. Here we're securing the glass shade to the fixture pan with the 4 cage screws. All right, there it is. Overall, I'm very happy with it. I think it looks really good. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give us a like, share a video. That way it helps others to find us. And thanks for watching.